asked a question about quick study 1115, so I'm going to go through that one. Sam, Andrew, and Mary were partners in Jim's skateboard company. The partners shared profits and losses at a ratio of 3:3, respectively. On April 1st, the partnership showed the following account balances right before they liquidated. So we have the balances, and then it says equipment was sold for $175. Prepare a journal entry to record the final distribution of cash. So the question was how they were getting these numbers. So the calculations are shown here, although they're not explained entirely. So we're going to work through them. So these numbers here are taken directly from here. This is what stood like right before liquidation. Step 1 in the liquidation is to sell the equipment, or not necessarily sell the equipment, but selling the assets. Then you pay any debts, and then you distribute the remaining capital out. So if you look at the assets that they have, it's just the equipment. So the equipment of $151 less depreciation of $36,000, the equipment is sitting on the books for $115,000. It tells you that it was sold for $175,000. So they got $175,000 in cash for equipment that was on the books for $115,000. The remainder, the difference between the $175,000 and the $115,000 is $60,000. That $60,000 gets spread between the three shareholders, between the three partners, on a 3-2-3 basis. So what that means in the quickest way is to add the numbers up. 3 and 2 and 3 is 8. So that's 3/8, 2/8, and 3/8. So then you take the difference of $60,000. That is the extra that they got, the extra cash over what they sold, what the equipment was on the books for. That $60,000 gets spread between the three partners on that ratio. So 60,000 times 3/8 is 22.5. 60,000 times 2/8 is 15,000, and 60,000 again times 3/8 is 22.5. So you're just showing they've got 75,000 in cash, so you're adding cash. You're taking the equipment off the books, which is a net of 115. That brings it down to 0. The difference gets spread among the three remaining